Welcome to Bestsellers Market. Today, we're diving into a special countdown of the best-selling jewelry-making tools and accessories available on Amazon. If you're passionate about crafting beautiful pieces or just starting your journey in jewelry making, you're in the right place. We'll explore the top-rated products that are must-haves for any jewelry maker's toolkit. So without further ado, let's jump right in and discover the best jewelry-making tools and accessories that are taking Amazon by storm. Here at number 10, we present the Ring Sizer Measuring Set. This indispensable tool is your ultimate companion for precise jewelry sizing, crafted to perfection for both amateurs and professionals alike. Imagine the convenience of determining your exact ring size with just a simple, adjustable loop around your finger. No guesswork, no fuss. Simply slide it on, adjust, and read. The Ring Sizer Measuring Set covers an impressive range from sizes 1 to 17, ensuring that every finger, big or small, finds its perfect match. But this isn't just about rings. The versatility of this tool extends beyond wedding bands and engagement rings. It's ideal for sizing birthday gifts, party favors, and any other piece of jewelry that requires precision. The clear, accurate printing makes every measurement straightforward and easy to read. Quality matters, and this tool doesn't disappoint. Crafted with fine workmanship, it's built to last, offering reliable measurements time and again. Whether you're a seasoned jeweler or just starting out, the durability and reusability of this set make it a must-have in your toolkit. And what's included? The package is simple and to the point. 1 US size measure finger gauge. That's all you need to make sure every ring fits perfectly, every time. For anyone serious about jewelry making or just wanting the assurance of a perfect fit, the Ring Sizer Measuring Set is the ultimate choice. Don't settle for anything less than precision. Your rings deserve it. At number 9, we introduce the Maewu Ring Sizer Measuring Tool Set. This comprehensive kit is an essential addition to any jewelry enthusiast's collection, providing precision and ease for all your sizing needs. Imagine the frustration of ordering a ring, only to find it doesn't fit. With the Maewu Ring Sizer Set, that's a problem of the past. This set includes a metal ring stick measure tool with US sizes 2 to 15 and European sizes 41 to 76, covering half sizes to ensure perfect accuracy. The ring sizer gauge spans sizes 0 to 13, and the plastic ring sizer belt ranges from sizes 1 to 17, offering you a versatile array of options. Think about the excitement of gifting a ring, knowing it will fit perfectly. This tool set is your secret weapon for those special surprises. With precise measurements at your fingertips, you can confidently purchase rings for your loved ones without any second guessing. Crafted with high-quality materials, the Ring Sizer Mandrel is made of durable aluminum, while the 27-piece Ring Sizer gauge set is constructed from stainless steel, ensuring longevity and reliability. Fine workmanship is evident in the smooth, rounded edges that ensure comfort and safety during use. Measuring ring sizes has never been easier. The alloy metal ring sizer or finger gauge provides clear markings for full and half sizes, allowing you to find the perfect fit every time. No more guesswork, no more frustration, just accurate, reliable measurements. Maewu stands behind their product with dedicated customer service. They sell hundreds of orders worldwide each day and are committed to ensuring your satisfaction. If you encounter any issues, their responsive team is ready to assist, offering free returns or exchanges to guarantee your happiness. And if you have a great experience, they welcome you to share your story. For jewelry makers and buyers alike, the Maewu Ring Sizer Measuring Tool Set is a must-have. Precision, quality, and convenience, all in one exceptional package. Make your next ring purchase with confidence, knowing you have the best tool for the job. Coming in at number 8, we have the Acmore Ring Size Measuring Tool Set, a must-have for any jewelry maker or enthusiast seeking precision and ease in their craft. Picture this: a lightweight, easy-to-handle ring sizer mandrel made of durable plastic, designed for effortless maneuvering. This tool, marked with US sizes from 0 to 15, ensures accurate and straightforward measurements for your rings. No more guessing, no more hassle, just clear, reliable sizing at your fingertips. Next, consider the versatility of the plastic ring sizing stick. Also marked with US sizes from 0 to 15, it offers the same precision with the added convenience of half sizes. The 32-piece ring sizer gauge set, looped together with a flexible cable and secured with a simple screw connection, allows for quick adjustments and easy access. Perfect for measuring any ring size with confidence and accuracy. But there's more. The set includes 2 finger gauges, crafted from durable plastic, capable of measuring fingers from sizes 1 to 17. These gauges function like a belt, adjustable to fit snugly around your finger, providing a precise measurement every time. Imagine the joy of gifting a ring that fits perfectly, thanks to the accurate measurements provided by the REIDEA Ring Size Measuring Tool Set. Whether it's for your husband, wife, girlfriend, or boyfriend, this tool ensures you always get the size right, turning every gift into a delightful surprise. For anyone dedicated to jewelry making or simply wanting to ensure a perfect fit, the REIDEA Ring Size Measuring Tool Set is indispensable. Combining precision, convenience, and reliability, it transforms the way you approach ring sizing, making it easier and more accurate than ever before. Don't miss out on adding this essential tool to your collection. At number 7, we have the Mandrel 15-pack ring size adjuster, an innovative solution to a common problem: loose rings. This set is designed with high-quality, transparent TPU material, ensuring safety and comfort without compromising the appearance of your jewelry. Imagine attending a glamorous party or an exciting outdoor adventure without the worry of your rings slipping off. The Mandrel ring size adjuster is virtually invisible, blending seamlessly with your ring. It's so discreet that even you might forget it's there, allowing you to enjoy every moment without distraction. This pack includes 15 ring guards, a blue polishing cloth, and clear instructions. With 3 different sizes, 2 and 3 mm in diameter, these adjusters cater to various ring widths. The spacers feature a hoop design made of soft TPU material, ensuring a snug fit. Whether you need flat or round strips, each 3.9-inch adjuster can be easily customized to your desired tightness with a simple twist and snip. Consider the convenience of keeping your rings perfectly in place, regardless of the occasion. These ring adjusters are not only practical, but also adaptable to any weather conditions. They won't deform in high temperatures or shrink in winter, making them ideal for any environment, from honeymoon trips to daily wear. What happens if you lose weight and your rings become loose? With 3 size options, the Mandrel ring size adjuster eliminates the need for resizing or exchanging your rings. This practical tool saves you time and money, preventing unnecessary trips to the jeweler or online returns. In just 60 seconds, you can adjust your ring to the perfect fit, ensuring comfort and security. For anyone looking to enhance their jewelry collection with an affordable and convenient solution, the Mandrel 15-pack ring size adjuster is the perfect choice. Say goodbye to loose rings and hello to a perfect fit every time. At number 6, we proudly present the U-Bar Ring Sizer Measuring Tool, an exceptional choice for anyone seeking precision in ring sizing. This 27-piece premium ring measurement kit is designed for accuracy, convenience, and durability. Imagine a tool that simplifies the process of measuring finger sizes, whether for yourself, friends, or family. The U-Bar Ring Sizer is compact and easy to carry, making it perfect for on-the-go use. With its range of 27 sizes, from US ring sizes 0 to 13, including half sizes, you'll always find the perfect fit. The clear scale ensures you can quickly and accurately determine the size you need. Constructed from high-quality metal, this ring sizing kit is built to last. The premium material offers superior hardness and durability, while the included plastic ring sizer gauge, with its clear printing technology, ensures that every measurement is precise. The metal tool features fine workmanship with flat insides and smooth edges, ensuring it's comfortable and safe to use. Plus, the rotating nut allows for easy adjustment and opens effortlessly when needed. But that's not all. The U-Bar Ring Sizer comes with a commitment to your satisfaction. If you encounter any issues with the tool, their dedicated customer service team is ready to assist you and resolve any problems. For those who demand accuracy, reliability, and convenience in their jewelry making tools, the U-Bar Ring Sizer Measuring Tool is an excellent choice. Ensure every ring fits perfectly with ease and confidence. A true essential for anyone serious about precision in their craft. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling jewelry making tools and accessories on Amazon? If you're dazzled by these top picks, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss out on our sparkling content. At number 5, we showcase the Ring Sizer Measuring Tool, a versatile and user-friendly solution for achieving the perfect ring fit. This tool isn't just practical, it's designed with thoughtful features to enhance your experience. First, imagine the ease of measuring with enhanced visibility. The integrated magnifier in the buckle allows for clear, precise readings, making it ideal for anyone who values a sharp, detailed view, including the elderly. Say goodbye to squinting and guesswork. This tool offers a comprehensive range of sizes, from 1 to 17 US, with precise printing that ensures accurate measurements. The result? The perfect fit every time, enhancing those special moments and connections with confidence. Built with superior materials, this ring sizer balances flexibility with strength. The robust design promises durability and longevity, with a print that can withstand regular use, making it a reliable companion for all your sizing needs. Its user-friendly design is both innovative and intuitive. Simply slide the end through the buckle to create a ring, adjust it to your finger, and read the size through the magnifying glass. It's that easy. Compact and portable, measuring just 4.5 by 0.3 by 0.2 inches. This tool fits conveniently in your pocket or jewelry box. Plus, with dedicated customer support ready to assist, you can be assured of a smooth experience from start to finish. For those seeking precision, ease, and durability in their jewelry sizing, the ring sizer measuring tool stands out as an excellent choice. Elevate your ring sizing process with this practical and well-designed tool. At number 4, we present the ultimate jewelry pliers set, an essential trio for any jewelry maker, repair enthusiast, or craft aficionado. This set includes 3 indispensable tools: needle nose pliers, round nose pliers, and wire cutters, each crafted to meet the highest standards of precision and durability. Let's dive into the details. This set is not just a collection of tools, it's a gateway to perfecting your craft. The needle nose pliers, also known as chain nose or snipe nose pliers, feature long, tapering jaws that reach into those tight, hard-to-access spots. With their smooth, pointed tips, these pliers are ideal for gripping, bending, crimping, and manipulating wire, jump rings, and small components with ease. Next, we have the round nose pliers. These are your go-to for creating flawless loops in wire, perfect for wire wrapping, eye pins, and jump rings. Their rounded, tapering jaws make it effortless to form precise curves and shapes, adding that professional touch to your jewelry designs. And of course, no set is complete without the wire cutters. Designed to handle thin metal wires up to 1 mm and flexible jewelry string, these cutters feature flat blades that allow you to cut right up to the edge of your work. This minimizes the need for extra filing and finishing, making your process more efficient and effective. Crafted from high-quality steel, these pliers are not only sturdy and rust-proof, but also feature a smooth, polished surface with non-slip handles. This ensures that you can work comfortably and without worry of scratching or marking your jewelry pieces. Whether you're engaged in jewelry making, repair, or various DIY crafts, this set provides the tools you need for precision and durability. Elevate your craftsmanship and ensure professional results with the Jewelry Pliers Set, your perfect partner in creating and repairing beautiful jewelry. At number 3, we spotlight the TECEUM Ring Size Adjuster Kit, your ultimate solution for perfect-fitting rings without the hassle of resizing or mechanical modification. This comprehensive kit is designed to help you enjoy your favorite jewelry with confidence, no matter the original size. Let's explore what makes this kit a must-have. The TECEUM kit includes 10 spiral adjusters and 6 pad ring guards, catering to a wide array of needs. The spiral adjusters are ideal for rings between 2 to 5 millimeters wide, offering a versatile and precise resizing option. Meanwhile, the pad adjusters are tailored for rings between 2 to 3 millimeters wide, providing a comfortable fit for slightly loose rings. Each adjuster is crafted from high-quality, clear TPU silicone, ensuring a soft, hypoallergenic feel that's gentle on your skin. Unlike plastic alternatives, this silicone maintains its clarity and doesn't yellow over time, even with frequent contact with sweat or water. What's more, the kit comes with everything you need for easy application. Simply choose your preferred adjuster type, follow the included instructions to attach it to your ring, and polish with the soft microfiber cloth for that extra touch of shine. The spiral adjusters offer a more universal fit, allowing for precise resizing across a larger range of ring widths. On the other hand, the pad adjusters are perfect for added comfort with rings that are only slightly loose. Designed to fit a broad spectrum of ring styles and sizes, From delicate engagement rings to robust signet rings, the TECEUM ring size adjuster. Kit ensures that you never have to worry about losing your rings again. Whether you're looking for a temporary fix or a long-term solution, this kit offers an easy, stress-free way to keep your rings securely in place, day in and day out. Embrace the perfect fit with the TECEUM ring size adjuster kit, where comfort meets practicality, ensuring you wear your rings with pride and ease. At number 2, we present the Ring Sizer Adjuster for Loose Rings by 5 Stars United, an essential tool for anyone looking to ensure a secure and perfect fit for their rings. This comprehensive 12-pack set is designed to address the common issue of loose rings with ease and efficiency. Each pack includes 12 versatile ring guards, a silver polishing cloth, and clear instructions. The set features 2 sizes of adjusters, 2 mm and 3 mm in diameter. Crafted from soft TPU material, these spacers are designed to fit both men's and women's rings, offering a snug and comfortable fit without altering the ring's structure. Why are these ring sizers a must-have? If your ring size fluctuates with the seasons, or if your finger is notably slimmer than your knuckle, this tool is for you. Perfect for those who may have lost weight or simply bought the wrong size, these adjusters provide a convenient and damage-free solution. They're easy to apply. Just place the hoop around the bottom of your ring, twist to secure, and wrap additional spacers if needed. Trim off any excess to achieve the perfect fit. Plus, the adjusters are completely invisible, ensuring that your rings stay elegantly in place without anyone noticing the adjustment. The beauty of this adjuster lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. It temporarily reduces the size of your ring without any permanent resizing or damage. Ideal for wedding and engagement rings, this tool keeps your precious jewelry secure, reducing the risk of accidental slips. Gentle and soft, these ring spacers are perfect for sensitive skin. They stay put without irritating or rubbing, making them a comfortable and affordable alternative to resizing. With the 5 Stars United Ring Sizer Adjuster Kit, you can enjoy a perfect fit and peace of mind, knowing your rings are safe and secure no matter where life takes you. Ending our countdown at number 1 is the Ring Sizer 17 by REIDEA, the ultimate tool for perfect ring sizing and a true game changer in jewelry accessories. This innovative measuring tool combines precision, convenience, and durability, making it an essential addition to your jewelry toolkit. First and foremost, the built-in magnified glass at the buckle is a standout feature. It's designed with care to provide a clear, quick view of the scale, making it especially useful for those who may need a bit of extra help reading fine print. This thoughtful touch caters to all, including the elderly, ensuring everyone can achieve accurate measurements with ease. With sizes ranging from 1 to 17 US, this ring sizer accommodates a wide array of finger sizes, allowing you to measure with confidence and accuracy. The clear and precise printing ensures you find the perfect fit every time, strengthening your connections with loved ones by ensuring that every piece of jewelry fits just right. Crafted with an upgraded material that strikes the perfect balance between flexibility and durability, this sizer is built to last. The enhanced printing withstands regular use without fading, ensuring you get reliable results for years to come. Using the REIDEA ring sizer is simple and intuitive. Just push the end of the sizer through the buckle to form a ring shape, slip it onto your finger, and adjust for a snug, comfortable fit. The magnified glass allows for easy reading, making the sizing process straightforward. And with its compact dimensions of 4.5 x 0.3 x 0.2 inches, it's easy to carry and store wherever you go. If you have any questions or need assistance, our support team is always ready to help. With the REIDEA ring sizer, achieving the perfect fit for your rings has never been easier or more reliable. Experience the convenience and precision of our top-rated ring sizer and enjoy a flawless fit for every occasion. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling jewelry-making tools and accessories on Amazon. To keep up with all the latest top picks, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the featured products. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.